Good morning. Good morning.
I'm actually going to kill you, mate.
Can I have a cuddle?
No.
Don't you love me?
You're using it. Piss off.
I love you. Mornings with my best friend. What are we going to do today? Oh, your elbow's in my face, mate. What do we look like in the morning?
Probably like shit.
No, you actually look quite good. You're cute. Put your arm down.
No, I can't see.
I look bad in the morning. It's a sunny day today. I think I want to go for a swim in the beach. Yeah? Yeah? I don't know what's wrong with him. But it is very sunny outside. Did all my chores yesterday. You guys would all be so proud. I mopped, I swept and vacuumed a balcony. That's insane. Cleaned all the windows, mirrors.
Yeah, there's all 12 square meters of it.
Excuse me, but that balcony, so the balconies where we live, I hate the tiles. They get so dusty and there's so much construction. They're hard to clean. Okay, fine. Next week, you vacuum, sweep, and mop them. Yeah? Nick? Hello? Anybody in there? Hello?
Don't.
Will you mop and sweep and vacuum next week? Will you? It's like talking to a brick wall. Anyway, what are you going to get for my birthday? I'm so excited for next week. My birthday's on Tuesday, guys. What are you going to get me? And then Valentine's Day is the next day after. So Nick just likes to rope them into one, usually. Yay! Show her in the face. If you go hold it, hold that up. Put that on your arm. Nick, go. So this week is insane with so many events. I'm going to my first one. It's actually called The One, and it's a little wedding showcase being held at Customs House. I'm all dressed and ready to go. Unfortunately, Nick didn't make the cut, so I'm gonna leave him here, and he's enjoying Friends. Don't leave me. So let's go check it out. Yeah, actually, I'm leaving you. So I'm all dressed for the Creating Ripples ball. I'm supporting Rosie's. So I've got a red dress. That's the back. I feel like it is a real Cinderella dress. So Nick is finally dressed as well. Oh, we look very classic.
Black and red. I really like this dress, eh?
Do you?
Yeah,
it's very Cinderella-like. Look how long it is. Are you ready for this ball?
Yes.
I hope it's sit down.
Let's go.
Okay, so what do you want to order?
Tonight we're getting Uber Eats.
Yeah, and I'm making Nick watch Definitely Maybe, which I really love. He hates rom-coms, but I think they're really nice. Why don't you like them?
I don't know, it's boring. I want to watch Guardians of the Galaxy.
Ew. I want to watch a movie that makes me feel things. Guardians of the Galaxy.
I'll make you feel things.
Guardians of the Galaxy makes me feel nothing. You're going to like Definitely Maybe. Okay, let me get up Uber Eats. So, what are you feeling? Okay, Uber Eats, my favourite app of all time. No, it's not a promo. I'm just lazy ass. I said to Nick, I'm going to cook for you a really good meal tonight, but we worked late. Dude, I just feel like Macca's or Domino's.
Absolutely not.
What do you want to eat? Burger?
No, I'm not even that hungry right now.
Should we just order our own Uber Eats?
Yes.
Are you serious? What couple that lives in the same unit orders their own Uber Eats?
What do you mean? You want something different to me?
What do you want? I want Domino's. Who likes Domino's? Comment in the comment section below if you like Domino's.
No
Nick
one
doesn't
likes
like Domino's. Oh, this lighting is just atrocious.
I think you're just ugly.
Are you serious? You can order on your phone then.
No, I don't know what you want, but...
Well, I don't know what cuisine, or do you want Greek?
No.
You don't like getting Greek, do you?
No. Unless it's in Greece.
Oh, sorry, princess. Okay. Oh, I can't deal with the suki sauce, you know that? Does anyone else feel like that? Brisbane people about like suki bowl? I just can't deal with the suki sauce. Like it gets me sick. Don't you reckon?
No.
There's something in it and it's too much for me. I do love suki bowl, but not the sauce.
I don't know what I want. Seriously, don't.
Do you feel weird?
What?
I feel weird.
A little bit, actually.
I feel like we just feel thrown off today. That's why I want to watch a love movie about like finding yourself and finding your true love and all that
What's
jazz.
Bloodhound
He's
Corner
not even
Cafe?
listening. He's not even listening. What's Bloodhound Corner Cafe?
There's a cafe called Stavros.
Really? Wait, click on it. Stavros. Do you reckon it's just a Greek cooking from his house?
No! Just from his house. And just
You can!
You can order Uber Eats from
Guys,
his
you
house.
actually can. No, on Uber Eats, there's people that make brownies from their home and they're on Uber Eats from like 11 a.m. to like 5 p.m. Yeah, we could set up an Uber Eats from 18 Lowland Street. Maybe not from here, but if we had a house. Go back on Stavros. I want to see Stavros.
It's just, you don't... It's
Yes,
just...
but I want to see the quality. My pizza came, yum.
Please.
And poor Nick is still waiting for his because he took an hour to decide. You can just watch me enjoy this pizza and movie all to myself. This is not his takeaway night.
Okay, I'll come down and get it. Thank you, bye.
So what, he doesn't want to get out of his car?
It's like there's no parking.
Oh, this is not your night, Nick. Do you want me to come down with you?
No, no.
Oh. You sure?
Do you want to come down with me?
Yeah, I'm going to come down. Here, let me get my shoes.
I'm not wearing shoes, who cares?
We're going on an adventure.
What, down the lift?
Do you have keys for sure?
I've got them.
Okay. Yeah, so we're going for an adventure.
An adventure down the lift. And then back up the lift.
Oh wait, why are we blurry? Focus. We're going on an adventure to find Nick's Uber. What a Saturday night. Woohoo, party time. This is the best Saturday night ever. These are... Ooh, how nice are our lifts here in Lucent. Very royal. Oh, I can see us. Nick, look up. Hey. This is so fun. Hello. How beautiful are these gold doors?
Ground floor.
Well, oh, I look so like messy. This is our lobby, guys. How gorgeous is it? And yeah, getting his Uber. Nick's got his Uber. How cool are the lights though? Just quietly. Nick, are you so happy to finally eat at like 10 o'clock at night? There's mirrors everywhere here. I feel like this mirror though, oh no. I think it usually makes you look bigger. Struck pose. Right. This is the funnest bit. Is that even a word? Funnest? Ready? Let's spin around. Oh my god, I'm so dizzy. What kind of pizza did you order?
No, we'll see.
What do you mean you don't know what you ordered? Did you just click something randomly? Wait, I hate being in hallways at night. Quick.
Why? Why is the phone dying? Put it in my face. You're so stupid, man.
Okay, so we're gonna go get some groceries in this storm that's happening to make some spaghetti bolognese. So why do we always grocery shop so late?
I have no idea.
Oh my god, so cute. Oh, I want one. Please? For my birthday?
No.
Oh. You suck.
Dude, it's gonna really pour down, eh?
Oh well, give me your shirt. I'm not wetting my hair.
Duck foot. Pigeon toy. Sorry.
Now, oh,
Sorry.
I like to get the fancy pasta. Do you want fettuccine or linguine?
I actually want, I don't want those. Mascara. No. Oh, fuck. I fucked that up.
I heard you said.
Here. Or do you want a smaller packet?
No, that's fine because we'll use that. Oh, do you reckon it's safe? Do you reckon it's
What do you mean
someone's got
safe?
their germs on it? 'Cause it was not in the tomato paste section.
Someone's got their germs on it.
Okay, fine.
It's a bottle.
Alright.
So we check it out. So, here she goes. Now Zach was a checkout chick in her past life, I reckon. Look at the finesse in her tap. Look at the finesse.
Goodbye, Willie. Off to put. Look at those arms. Oh my god, it's raining. What am I gonna do? My like full on pouring. Oh, Nick. Do we just wait it? Hang on, let me turn around. Fully raining. I don't want to wet my hair. Nick, it's proper bad. We're gonna have to put your phone away.
Shit. Look at the lightning.
Lightning. There's gonna be a big thunder now. There's gonna be massive thunder. Or maybe not so big. Alright, what do we do? Oh my god.
So we got wet.
That felt like a horror movie.
Yep.
That felt like a horror movie. I was screaming so hard. Oh, that's the most fun I've had in actually forever. It smells so bad though. Let's go cook. We're ready to cook. So, we've got all our ingredients here. We've got the linguine, breadcrumbs, mince, onions, parsley, basil, all the stocks and tomato paste, etc. Because we're gonna make bolognese.
This is the most standard meal. Like everyone makes this.
Now this is one of the onions that we need.
Is it like a cooking show now?
No, I'm just explaining it. I'll be the TV presenter that just kind of watches. Like, oh yes, how do you peel an onion? Do I have to peel it first?
Yeah.
Like, how far do I peel it?
Just peel all the skin off.
All the skin's off. Is that it? Is that it?
What?
I think it's pretty naked.
Are you shitting me? You think that's done?
I'm like not kidding.
You think that that's all peeled off?
Isn't it? Wait, and then that's how I know I gotta cut it straight up. That's the Nick's job. Yeah, that's the Nick's job. It's all good. It's for families. It's 100% Australian home and it's free range eggs.
All you need to do is peel it.
I love it.
What the fuck? That was so random. Get off.
Let's just cook like this. please.
Oh, fuck.
Did you cut yourself? Are you okay? No, don't squeeze blood out, you creep. Oh, one big meatball there.
So now you put this whole thing on the fry pan.
No, you
You
don't.
eat it like that.
Okay, we're gonna make little meatballs.
What do you mean? You do it with your hands, not with spoons.
Just spoon it out.
No, you don't. You do this.
Oh, fine, Mr. Rustic. I want to use my gold spoon.
Just roll it. Just mix it.
I love cooking with you.
Okay.
Would you coarsely cut the basil, assistant chef? You know we do great team, where I think we own the restaurant. Oh wait, I want to do this bit. Ta-da! Ta-da!
No, you're not. Break it up. Not giant basil leaves.
Should we put some wine in here?
No.
Sugar.
No.
My mum puts sugar in hers and cinnamon.
No.
Yes. So we've got the sauce going, made by yours truly. And then we've got them going to the meatballs. We're like little chefs. We should be on MasterChef.
They're big meatballs though.
They're too big. They're like man-y meatballs. Ooh. So it's almost ready now. The way I like to check if it's ready is I grab top.
Just taste it.
I
Just
grab
taste
a
it.
piece, no?
No, just taste it. Kidding me?
Yeah, that's how you try it.
No, you're just making a mess. Don't.
Sexy pasta man, spreading it out. You love this pasta, hey? Woohoo! Happy days! What do you reckon? Oh, that looks awesome. That's so ready. That's good to go. You just need a spoon. Love how Nick, you always like to dish it. Guys, I want to show you all something. This board says Nicholas and Zafrullah, 9th of the 5th, 14. How cute. Okay, stop.
So you got to put a little bit on.
Alright. Do the Salt Bay move.
No.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, all done!